Everybody, welcome back to Live Free and Tool On. My name is Brent, and on this channel we do tool reviews and technology reviews and all that really cool stuff. And if you've watched any of my videos prior, then you know that I love Ryobi. One of the big reasons why, and well, really the only reason why I love Ryobi for the first and foremost, is that you get the best value for your dollar, which means your dollar will take you further into their tool platform and everything else. And plus, their tools are just really good. And the second reason why I like Ryobi is that all of their tools for many, many, many years have all been on the same battery platform. One of my good friends said, "Hey, Brent, I have a stapler. It's still in the box right here from many years ago. I guess they won it in a raffle or something like that." Well, they offered it to me to test. Now, it's never been used, and check this out. I opened it. All right, so here is the stapler, and it has the original book. Do I see any dates in here? Let's just see when this is actually from. I'm sure I could try and do a little bit of reconnaissance. I don't see any dates on here, but it's probably, early 2000s. This is a P300 stapler, and this is the latest and greatest battery right here. This is the 18-volt lithium HP high-performance battery, and it is fully charged, and the good thing about it is it fits. Now, let's just see. Ooh, that's got some power to it. I'm not going to belabor the fact. Let's load this up with some staples. It also does brad nails, and let's give it a shot. Okay, so before we get started, I want to show you. It actually has, if we can get this here, it shows you what your limitations are, and that says 1 1/4 brad nailers, 3 1/4 inch staplers too, so you can. It actually shows you where to put them as well. So let's just go ahead and load this up here. All right, look at that. This is awesome, right? Okay, first I'm going to turn down the power, just see how it does. All right, not bad. Let's turn it down some more. All right, that's cool. You can see that it didn't go all the way in. So the power actually works. Your spring pressure, let's turn this back up. Can you believe just how good that does after so many years? Obviously, it hasn't been used, but to be honest with you, this technology, even back then, was pretty fantastic. Let's throw some brads in here. And how these brads load from here, it looks like we need to load them into here. Okay, let's push those down. Okay, they're down. Let's give it a shot. Oh yeah, can you see that? It may be really hard to see right there. That did a great job. Oh yeah, look at that. That's awesome. So even after all of these years putting this tool to the test, it does a great job. The build quality is actually really good. It's pretty solid. Everything feels really good. Now, it isn't, I would say, marketability. You can see it's pretty plain. There's nothing flashy about it, but it's solid. It has rubber overmolding right here in the handle. It's actually really thick rubber overmolding, and everything just feels really good, and it does the job, which, I mean, that's what you really want, right? You want it to do the job. Now, this is the new one right here, and you can see that this has rubber overmolding right through here. It looks a lot more futuristic. You have some bumper spots right there. You know, how you load is a little bit more advanced, but I'm going to tell you they do the same job, which I'm really happy to see this. This obviously has a brush motor and everything else, and for all intents and purposes, I believe this does too. But this one just looks a little more flashy, but guess what? This still does the job. So if you still have some of these old blue tools, keep them. Use them. I still use some other blue tools, and I love them. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and get out there. Go try something. Try your old blue tools. And if you make some mistakes, learn from your mistakes, and pass on the solutions to the next generation. And I'm sure that we will all be better for it at the end of the day. My name is Brent. This was Live Free and Tool Line. Take care, everybody. See ya.
Work.